warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
We are a group of 3 people, which is for tugas video bahasa Inggris. And
Let us introduce ourselves. My name is Andi Muhammad Al-Faruq.
my name is Muhammad Farwansyah.
My name is Novel Al-Nawaf. So our theme for the video is social media.
Enjoy
video.
Hey, what social media platforms do you guys use? I'm really into Instagram right now because there's so much content to follow there.
Oh, I still use social media, but I mostly check Facebook for networking. Sometimes I browse Instagram or TikTok, but I feel like social media can make people addict. Don't you agree?
Yes, I feel the same way. On one hand, social media is informative with lots of useful knowledge and entertainment. But other hand, I sometimes waste too much time scrolling mindlessly.
I agree that we need to manage our time wisely, but I think social media is also important for self-expression. I can share my work or stories there, and it boosts my confidence.
True, but not everyone uses social media positively. Sometimes it becomes a space for showing off or comparing lives, which can make people feel insecure.
Exactly. I read an article about how social media can affect mental health, especially if we constantly compare ourselves to others.
Maybe the solution is to set the boundaries. For me, I unfollow accounts that makes me feel uncomfortable. I focus on content that inspires me or supports my interests.
That's a great approach. We can also use social media to learn new things, like joining webinars or online discussion. So it's not just about entertainment.
I think I should start managing my time better and follow more useful accounts. By the way, do you have recommendation for educational account?
I have plenty. I'll list you later.
Good idea. Social media is like a double-edged sword. It depends on how we use it. If we use it wisely, it can bring positive outcomes.
Thanks. This discussion was really helpful. I feel like I understand how to use social media wisely now.
You're
welcome,
welcome.
That's all for us.
Thank you.
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi